Imagine graduating in 2026 with a degree and no leverage. Same diploma, same job market, but someone sitting next to you is earning twice as much. Not because they're smarter, not because they're lucky, but because they know how to use AI. Here's the truth most students ignore. AI will not replace you, but students who use AI will. And if you are between 18 and 30 living in the US right now, this is the cheapest window of opportunity you will ever have. No mortgage, no kids, no real risk. The question is simple. Will you use AI to scroll or to build wealth? Today, I am breaking down the 5 best AI tools for students in 2026. Not the trendy ones, the strategic ones, the ones that save you time, make you money, and compound your advantage. Stay until the end because the final tool is the one that separates average students from future millionaires. Let's get into it. First, ChatGPT, your personal strategy partner. Let's start with the obvious one, ChatGPT. Most students use it to summarize chapters. That's amateur. Use it to break down complex finance concepts, build side hustle strategies, create resume bullet points that get interviews, simulate mock job interviews, draft cold emails to recruiters. Think bigger. Ask it, what skills will pay $150,000 plus in the next 5 years? Create a 6-month roadmap to break into tech sales. Turn my major into 3 income streams. It becomes your 24/7 strategic advisor. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're not using AI to think at a higher level, someone else is. Quick question. Would you rather spend 4 hours stuck on an assignment or 40 minutes and invest the remaining time into building income? Exactly. But strategy without execution is useless. Which brings us to tool number 2. Second, Notion AI. Turn choice into systems, meet Notion AI. College life is messy. Assignments, internships, gym, networking, content ideas, business plans. Most students live reactively. Wealthy people live systematically. Notion AI helps you build automated study dashboards, track investment goals, plan side hustle projects, summarize lectures instantly, create content calendars instead of "I will remember that." You build systems that remember for you. Here's the fear trigger. If your life has no structure, your money won't either. And structure creates speed. But organization alone doesn't build wealth, skills do. And that's where the next tool becomes dangerous, in a good way. Third, Perplexity AI, research at speed. Google gives you links, Perplexity AI gives you answers with sources fast. If you're studying finance, tech, business, or economics, this tool compresses hours of research into minutes. Need market trends, industry salary projections, investment research breakdowns, startup validation data. You get cited answers instantly. Now imagine using that speed advantage to spot growing industries early, identify high-paying certifications, analyze stocks smarter. That's leverage. Here's a quick reset. If your competition is still scrolling Reddit for career advice and you are using AI-powered research, who wins? Exactly. But knowledge without monetization is just trivia. Let's talk about earning. Fourth, Midjourney. Visual assets that sell. This is where things get interesting. Midjourney isn't just for cool art. Students are using it to design Etsy products, create YouTube thumbnails, build brand visuals, sell digital downloads, launch print-on-demand stores. Zero design degree required. Visual branding used to cost thousands. Now it costs a subscription. Here's the excitement trigger. You could build a digital asset this weekend that makes money while you sleep next semester. And yes, most students won't do it. They will watch Netflix instead. But if you act now, you early. And early is profitable. Still, there is one final tool that multiplies everything we have discussed. And it's not flashy. It's powerful. Fifth, Cloud. Deep thinking and long-form leverage meet Cloud. Where ChatGPT is your strategist, Cloud is your deep thinker. It's incredible strong for long research analysis, business plans, investment breakdowns, coding helps, reviewing contracts, refining ages. With clarity, this is the tool you use when the stakes are high. Internship application, scholarship essay, startup pitch deck, investment thesis. Claude helps you think cleaner and write sharper. And here's the urgency. In 2026, employers won't ask if you used AI. They will assume you did. The real question will be, did you use it better than everyone else? Now let's bring this all together. Thus tools multiply you. Disciplined, you grow. Lazy, you get exposed. Pick one, master it for 30 days. Use it to make money. Don't watch, execute. Action builds wealth. See you next time.